Hello, this is Will from mummylin.com. Probably you know myself and my wife, we are building our business by partnering with BE International. The current trend I'm noticing, it's more the Gen Z youngsters are coming into the BE business. A lot of people may be wondering, can someone young in their early 20s or mid 20s, can they be successful in the BE business? Well, the answer is yes, they can. And I recorded this video that I want to share with you. It's one of the conference organized by BE International. They invited one very powerful, uh, someone very young in the early 20s, the Generation Z. She's in the early 20s and she's very successful in the BE business. So if you're wondering, can someone in the Gen Z build a BE business successfully? Watch this video.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everybody. Orang hebat semua. So, before I share what I thought for CCA, I want to first express my gratitude to my uplines who believe in me even before I believe in myself. RCCA Cik Suryani, RCCA Cik Nur, RCCA Liana, RCCA Izman, SRCA Dayangkuyati, SRCA Fikri, RCCA Haja Ida, and RCCA Hasnan. Thank you so much for leading me dengan kesabaran and love. And to the founders of BE International, thank you for choosing me and for building a platform where young leaders like me are seen, supported, and given a real chance to rise. Let me bring you to why I even started BE International. Honestly, I didn't grow up in a house where everything was handed to me. My parents loved me, but they didn't spoon feed me, and I'm thankful for that. Because from young, I learned how to stand on my own feet. I've tried everything: teaching tuition, baking cookies, online selling, but when I discovered BE International, I knew straight away BE is the fastest vehicle that I've ever seen. Fast income, fast growth, fast personal development. At just 18 years old, I earned my first BND 4-digit Brunei dollar with no capital, no shop, no fancy skill set, just my reason and this platform. So why I do BE International? Because it gives me more than the income I wanted. It gives me the growth I never know I needed and the purpose I never expected to find. BE gave me more than what I asked for because as I keep growing, I started seeing people grow under my guidance. And some of them, they have bigger dreams than mine. When my downlines come to me and say, Nafisa, thank you. Because of BE, I can finally give back to my parents. Nafisa, thank you. Now I can give the best for my children. Nafisa, thank you. I just closed one of my hutang because of BE International. And that is when it hit me. I'm not here just to earn. I'm here to lead. I am here to serve. That's why I fought for CCA. Not because of the title, not because of the rank, but for the commitment it represents. Okay, from my posting, everything is all good lah, happy. But honestly, subhanallah, only Allah knows the rest. Because being a leader, it requires more than energy. It requires a very big heart. People don't see the inner battle, the loneliness, the judgment. When people say, Nafisa, you are spending time with auntie. When people my age say that I'm just boring, you know. And then when my downlines say to me, why should I even listen to you? You know. But I know that leadership means sacrificing my own comfort to reach, so others can reach their calling. Leadership is when people grow with you, move with you, cry with you, and celebrate with you. but I believe that we're like rare diamonds. Because today I have 2 Gen Z Sapphire ambassadors, 5 Gen Z ambassadors, all earning good income and all with good mindset that's beyond our age.
Yes, that was Nafiza, a Gen Z from Brunei, building the bee business, and she's doing very well. Okay, if you have any question, you can PM me or drop a comment in the section below. Until next time, bye bye.